In the world of online business, I was lost and confused, trying to find a platform that I could really use. Then I discovered Systeme.io. My heart skipped a beat. With its features and tools, my success was complete. Sales funnels and email marketing, all in one place. Website builder and automation, a seamless embrace. Affiliate management and online courses too. Systeme.io, you make my dreams come true. Systeme.io, you're my online business star. With your help, I've come so far. You simplify the process, make it easy and fun. Systeme.io, my business has just begun. Building sales funnels, oh, what a breeze. Customizing templates with such ease. Email campaigns that engage and inspire. Systeme.io, you set my business on fire. Website creation made simple, no coding required. Managing affiliates, my revenue has soared. Automation saves time, my workload is light. Systeme.io, you shine so bright. With every click and drag, I feel the power. Systeme.io, you empower me every hour. I'm reaching new heights, my dreams taking flight thanks to you. My future is looking bright. Systeme.io, you're my online business star. With your help, I've come so far. You simplify the process, make it easy and fun. Systeme.io, my business has just begun. Systeme.io, you're the melody in my online song. Together we'll keep thriving, moving strong. I'll sing your praises, spread the word wide. Systeme.io, forever by my side.